How to write a short story in an hour. Hi, I'm Cecilia Elise Wallin, and the topic for this video is how to write a short story really fast. So in this video I will tell you how to write a really great short story in 3 easy steps. 1. Plan. Which kind of conflict do you want to write about? Person versus person? Persons versus self? Person versus society, or person versus nature? Write a story outline. This model will help you plan your story. The hero must be a character with which the reader can identify. The hero wants something. The adventure starts. The hero is in her or his safe, well-known home environment. But a shortcoming or a mission forces the hero to consider embarking on a journey. The hero departures. This is when the hero embarks on an adventure and starts to get help from advisors and friends. The hero listens to advisors. This stage shows how the hero receives advice from her or his advisors and friends, and based on their guidance starts to realize how she or he shall solve the problem and reach his or her goal. The hero tries to solve the problem. The hero becomes more knowledgeable and well-oriented and limits the options on how to solve her or his problem. She or he is becoming increasingly aware on how to solve the problem. But it gets worse and worse. The hero fights the hardest battle. The peripeteia. This is the critical phase. At the turning point of the story, the peripeteia, the tension intensifies. Will the hero manage to overcome the overwhelming obstacles or the terrifying enemies? Fighting for her or his life, the hero realizes that she or he is much more resourceful than she or he knew. The hero succeeds. After overcoming the most difficult obstacle, the hero must take advantage of her or his victory. The hero returns home. As the story nears its end, the hero returns to her or his normal life. The hero has gained new insights. Overcoming the obstacles, the hero has gained new knowledge and insights. Step number 2. Now just write the story you have planned. Don't think about the details. Just get the story written. Step number 3. Check if the sentences and scenes can be improved and refined. Correct grammar and spelling mistakes. So this was a video about how to write a great short story fast. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.